Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kirti, and today I will be presenting my research work. I think most of you will be knowing this building, which this girl is trying to push or pretending to push. This is Leaning Tower of Pisa. This is one of the best building which created by one of the greatest architects in the Renaissance period of Europe. But this problem with this building is it is tilting because of the bad foundation design. The bad foundation design is caused because of the geotechnical engineer was not that good. So he didn't consider the strength of the ground, and this type of mistake of geotechnical engineer may not be always, turns into a popular tourist place. It can be dangerous to life and property. We can improve the ground if we use ground improvement techniques. There are various methods through which we can improve the ground. The popular one is using prefabricated vertical drains. These drains shorten the path, the drainage path of the water, and which in turn give us a higher bearing capacity of the ground. But the problem of these drains, they are made of the synthetic material which is non-biodegradable, and due to this unenvironmental friendly material, it can be result into environmental pollution. So my research is all about to find a new way to make this process as an environmental friendly solution. We can make this we can replace this prefabricated drain with this jute drain. This is made in India. This jute fiber contains lignin, hemicellulose, cellulose. Cellulose and hemicellulose are the biodegradable things. It degrades with the time, and the lignin we can increase its strength. We can increase its strength using this coconut coir inside it, so we can have the strength as well as we will have the biodegradable material. So if I find out the efficiency of this drain, I will compare this efficiency of this drain with the prefabricated drain, and I can give a new method which will be totally environmental friendly, and it will not cause any hazard to our day-to-day life. So in starting of my project, I went to Valina. I collected soil sample from there. Now I am using that soil sample to make large-scale samples. Now I am using this drain. I will be conducting some consolidation tests, and if I get the result positive, then we will have a new environmental friendly solution, and that's my research. Thank you. Any questions? Yes?
Dr. Tensai's strength is not yet have the results of the test.
No, actually in my case I don't worry about the tensile strength, since I'm not pulling in this thing. I'm just inserting this thing. This will absorb the water, and this channel will take out the water. So when water is out, the ground will be settled. So we will have the maximum compaction. And if the ground is maximum compacted, if we create any building, it will not go more deep. So we will not have any problem.
I think good for
Yeah, I'm going
but
to.
what about the pain? If you have the sway, there is another problem with tensile.
Yeah, this is not the reinforcement. What you do?
I know.
Yeah. So in my case, ground will not go. Ground is on the earth. Ground is the earth. So earth will not move with the air. Building will move with the air.
Yeah, I know.
There you will come and help me with the reinforcement.
There's some connection between the building and the foundation.
Yes.
And the foundation connected on the
Foundation is not connected with this. These are below the foundation.
I know.
In the ground.
Earthquake can move the air. The earthquake can move the air.
Yeah, that is.
Benefit from this.
The earthquake will be there. Yeah. Yeah, it can be. Yes. Sorry.
You will use this technique before?
This is a new technique, because they used to use some cardboard. We created this jute drain. The National Jute Board of India is like sponsoring my project. I'm going to test these drains for them in the Valina clay.
Just I want to ask, if you want to construct one building and the ground is not suitable,
Yes.
and for example I will use your technique
Yes.
to increase the compaction.
Yes.
How long this will take? using this technique, following this technique.
Yeah, if you alone insert this thing, it may take 9 to 10 months to improve the ground. But if you insert this drains and if you put some load on the ground, then the time can be reduced in 4 months. And after 4 months, ground will be prepared, then you can construct your foundation and build it. It is like a pre-treatment.
Yeah.
So does that mean that the effects of that are only temporary because you want it to be biodegradable?
Yes.
Is that right? So it's just a temporary effect?
Yeah, because when we take out the water, we don't need anything inside the drain, like in the ground, because the purpose of the drains is to take out the water.
Yeah.
So if we take out the water and after that it vanishes, it is good for us.
Yeah.
But the prefabricated drains remain inside, so they create environmental problems.
Can I ask you another
Yes.
how long is the distance between each one? Or,
Yeah, each like 400 millimeters.
400. So
Yes.
I need to put a lot of.
Yeah, a lot of.
So this 400 will be because when the water will go.
Yeah, it
So-
is a smear effect. It will create smear effect if you put inside, it will disturb the ground. But since this is natural, it will absorb the soil and it will, when it will degrade, it will convert into biodegradable stuff. So there will be no empty space.
I thought it's like the plastic for the rubbish, you know. it's-
No. It is natural. It is made out of plant. So yeah. Any questions? Thank you.
Very good, thank you.